Here's how to make a board on Pinterest. First, go ahead and launch your Pinterest application, or you can also go to the website and log into your account. Now tap on the Create option in the left-hand side of the screen, and you'll get three different options of pin, board, and collage. Go ahead and tap on Board and name your board. You can also add collaborators if you want, and you can also choose to keep this board secret so that only you and your collaborators can see it. Then tap on Create in the bottom that is highlighted in red color. And now once the board has been created, you can go ahead and select the pins that you want to save in your board. Tap on this plus icon to create a pin or add a section. And you can create your own pin, or you can choose to save the pins on your board. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.